In my online classes, I address many aspects of painting, all with the goal of helping you thoroughly understand the painting process and complete a formal painting. But that's not the end of the knowledge you'll need. There are activities and issues that come up after you paint that need to be addressed, such as handling, photographing, and storing your artwork. There are also issues like framing, lighting, and shipping, all important subjects, whether you're a student aiming to become a professional painter, or if you're a hobbyist who simply enjoys painting for the pleasure of creating. It's still important to understand how to care for the pieces you create. And this information applies to any painting medium, as well as to photographers and printmakers. Really, any two-dimensional art form. The course is broken down by subject and is sequential, from completing a painting through shipping a piece. But this class can also function as a kind of handbook, where you can refer to sections as needed. My recommendation is to watch the class in order initially, and then you can refer to the topics in the future at will. When it's applicable, this class will address how specific paint mediums are impacted by that topic. Sometimes an issue is the same for all paint forms. Other times, the way it impacts a painting is related to a specific type of paint. We'll clear that up as we move along. I'll show you what I do when it comes to a subject, as well as what is considered industry best practice. Now, sometimes you'll notice a little repetition. This is because I want each subject to be able to stand alone in case you need to refer back to that topic, almost like a manual. But it should be minimal. And make sure you check after each lecture for a student activity sheet, because I don't always mention it in the lecture. You'll find links to the PDFs in the class video descriptions. We'll begin the class assuming that your painting is finished and varnished, if applicable. But let's back up. Let's talk for a minute about signing your work, which should be done before varnishing. This is the topic of our first lecture.